이렇게 되면 열기가 마치 도마 안에 갇힌 것처럼 계속 쌓이며
The temperature's been so high, well, scientists suspect climate change has had a part to play.
Animals are struggling.
Coming, up to that we're going door to door and